In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a database in ClickUp. So, with further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to Create. From here, we're going to go to Templates. This is the easiest way for you to start a ClickUp database. So, type in database on the search node. Now, you should see many different databases provided by ClickUp, including a general database template, a blog database, or even a landing page database. Now, since this is a general database, let's click right here and let's use this template. So, let's type in a list name, select the location. Then we can also choose whether to import everything or customize the import items. Then import as is as for the start and due dates or remap the dates and choose whether to include the archive text. Once done, use template. Now ClickUp would then set it up, so wait for a few seconds. After setting this up, it should automatically open for you. Now, once it opens, as you can see, it has a group by frequency of your tasks right here, a database table, and a list view. You can even add other views right here. So since this is free, you have full access to edit and customize this database. You can put in all your needs right here and it is yours. You're in control with this database. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.